Have you ever wondered if a tablet can replace a full-fledged smartphone? Because in today's video, I'll be starting my testing on this theory out by replacing my Sony Xperia 1 with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. And if you want to know more about this experiment as well as this tablet, make sure you stay tuned to find out. TZH here with technological gadgets, and on this channel we do tutorials, tech gear reviews and occasional experiments like this one. And if you like what you see here, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below. Also make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below saying that you suck, and I'll be sure to reply to every single one of your comments. Firstly, let's start off with why I decided to do this experiment. My current phone, which is the Sony Xperia 1, that has a broken screen which does not respond to my taps anymore. And when I went to the service center, the estimated price of the repair cost as much as the phone, and I didn't want to buy this year's flagship as it is really close to the end of the year. So what did I do? I pre-ordered the Google Pixel 4a as a stand-in before I got my new flagship next year. But here's the problem, it takes about a month to ship for whatever reason. Then my mom asked me if I wanted to use her Samsung Galaxy Note 3, which she has spare for a while, to tide me over. I decided to use this tablet to replace my phone. Now it has been a few days, but be assured. But first, let's start off with a review of the tablet, shall we? This is of course the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, mainly the 8-inch model in gold and made completely out of metal, with the front being glass. The tablet has rounded corners, making it more comfortable to hold, and in my opinion looks really sleek, industrial, and a breath of fresh air from all the fragile glass sandwiches that I have been accustomed to. Overall, it is built extremely well, looks really good, and I have no complaint. Let's move on to the display, and it is one of the best features on this tablet. It is an 8-inch 4:3 aspect ratio, sporting Samsung's infamous Super AMOLED display, packing in a whopping 1536 by 2048 pixels, aka a stretched out 1440p resolution that most flagship phones 2 or 3 times the price of this tablet might not even have. This results in the display looking insanely amazing for content consumption, be it movies, text, videos, games, and much more alike. The colors look super vivid, contrasty, and sharp with a pixel density of 320 pixels per inch. I just can't describe to you how good looking this display looks, with the images looking so awesome and true to life. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 looks so much better than the iPad. It still maintains the faithful 3.5mm headphone jack, which is definitely absent on the iPad Pro that is not only bigger but costs 4 times its price. Moreover, it has a set of bottom firing stereo speakers, which I will let you listen to right now. Now, moving on to the heart of this device. It supports a Snapdragon 652, which is an octa-core processor with 4 Cortex-A72 cores running at 1.8 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores running at 1.4 GHz, along with the Adreno 510 GPU. And before trashing the cameras on this tablet, which I'm not gonna expect to be very good, I would like to ask you the question of the day. Have you taken any photos using a tablet, be it from Apple, Samsung, or Microsoft, or whatever company? Let me know down in the comment section below that experience, and I'll be sure to read and reply to every single one of your comments. Now, let's talk about the cameras. There's an 8MP rear camera with autofocus and a pitiful 2.1MP front-facing camera. At least take usable pictures. Overall, it feels more like taking a picture with the selfie camera on most phones these days compared to an actual main camera on a smartphone. By the way, that is just the main camera, and the selfie camera is way worse than the main camera, not only in terms of megapixel count, but also capturing less detail on my face, overexposing it frequently, as well as it being very soft even with the beauty enhancer turned off and not sharp at all. Overall, photos taken on this are pretty bad but definitely usable in a pinch, though my expectations are pretty low as this is a tablet and not a smartphone. Hey guys, so I'm recording this on the front facing camera with the built-in microphone, and let's see how this looks. Cause camera quality, checking camera quality. Sorry that my room is a bit messy, but let me know how you think the front facing camera on this tablet looks. Overall, for a few days of using this tablet, I am so shocked as to how well this tablet performs. Typing on this feels like a joy with that 4:3 aspect ratio, and reading text as well as taking notes on this device feels surprisingly good, especially as it is super lightweight, which helps a ton. But anyways, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'm sure to reply to every single one of your comments. By the way, if you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button as it means so much to me, and like the video if you did. Thank you for staying tuned to the end, and I'll catch you in the next video.